Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Beowulf out here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Got the Hellcat. So this is I have a 3-car garage, so this is like the garage. I keep the Hellcat in, and I've been doing these tiles I had at my old house. I have more ordered, but I got a big portion of the garage done. So it's a little messy, just still moving in. But cool thing, I think I talked about in past videos you guys haven't seen. My Jeep SRT, I got the BWoody, I think it's their stage 3 lowering kit. So I have the Mopar springs that lowers it like a little over 2 inches. It's an upper rear control arms. They're painted lime green, and the sway bar end links and their camber kit. So this Dodge dealership in Conway just finished it, so I'm waiting for my Uber to get me to the dealership to go pick up the Jeep SRT. And then the crazy thing, I am changing my driver's license today, because obviously I live here. I don't live in Illinois anymore, so I got a South Carolina driver's license. And then I'm getting rid of these Illinois plates and going with South Carolina plates, because I live in South Carolina. So other cool things with my business, I'm going to be opening this coming Tuesday, the 2nd of May 2nd. So yeah, a lot of big things going on. Sorry, I'm posting a lot. I'm behind on videos and I'm uploading. I'm going to try to upload a couple more videos that you guys have seen, just to kind of catch up, because there's been a lot going on with moving in, getting the business going. And the crazy thing is, see these plug outlets there? There's one there, and then there's another one there. So my new house is on 800 amps. Now where I came from before living in Illinois, I had 200 amps. And the house I had, it was on 5 acres, it was 400 amps, so I upped it up. So there's just 400 amps coming to this garage. So that means, you know, in the future, if I want to go with getting an electric car, let's say they make one of these electric, or a Tesla or whatnot, I could have a fast charger here charging the car at home. So that's kind of exciting. The other thing big too is I want to put my Formula BMW Indy sign somewhere up here. I got to paint these walls. I have some black tiles coming in and more red. I'm going to do black right here. Yeah, so got some big things planned for this garage. And then you saw in the last clip, the other garage, we're going to keep the Jeep SRT and my 2 jet skis. And I plan on going jet skiing tomorrow. I got the speaker kit for that, my Sea Doo RXT-X. So I'm going to do an install video on that tomorrow, or I'm going to do it tonight in a separate video. So there's a lot of stuff going on. So let's fast forward to get to the dealership, and I am really excited to see what this Jeep SRT looks like. Alright man, so I see the Jeep. I'm going to go take a look at it before I pick it up. Check it out. That looks so much cooler being lowered. Wow. That looks sharp, especially in the back. Holy cow! Woo, it's low. It is really low in the rear. Oh my gosh. That's probably where I noticed it the most, is in the back. But I think here. Man, it looks sharp. It looks sharp. To just drop my mom off at the airport. She's nice to stay here for the first week when I first moved into my house, and helping me out getting stuff going, like figuring all this stuff, paperwork and all this kind of stuff, buying a house, and the whole business location thing. She was a great help. So now let's stop at Costco and get some stuff. Man, what I'm gonna all talk about is how awesome this thing handles now with the BWoody lowering kit. I'm telling you, any of my viewers that have a Jeep SRT, or they're thinking about getting a Jeep SRT, this thing, it handles like a whole different car now. That it's, but I went with the Mopar springs too, so it did like a 2-inch drop in the back. I was at 1.8, 1.9 I think in the front, and it
it handles a lot better. I mean, it just feels a lot more, you know, not a lot of body roll and whatnot, and even in braking, it doesn't feel like it's just like flying forward. Real cool setup. Glad I did it. And I have to tell you, the Conway Dodge Jeep dealership here in South Carolina, they came through. They quoted me even, you know, worst case scenario, how much it would cost. It actually was lesser than what they quoted me, which I give great props to a dealership like that, because usually dealerships are, you know, kind of snaky or shady and stuff. And I have to tell you, this is like the first dealership I ever found that are really honest people. And that's what you find living down south. I lived in the Midwest, there's just a lot of dishonesty and stuff like that. And it's the one, to me, I think one of the coolest things living down here is just how honest people are. It's a lot of fun. We just swung by the beach. I've been here for like over a week and 2 days. That's my first time coming to the beach. Tomorrow I'm taking out jet skis, so I'm excited about that, and bring you guys along with the whole thing with that. Last time I went out, if you saw the last video, the dealer I bought it from claimed they filled up the tanks full of fuel. I get out there and launch my jet ski, and the thing had no fuel at all, so I didn't barely get to ride. And I probably rode for like 10 minutes, and the thing was flashed in the fuel light. I think tonight I'm going to install the speakers. I'll do a video with that, and I'm going to install, there's specifically for the one I got, it has like a bumper kit, and the thing is you have to drill on the side of the jet ski, but it's likely not going through it. It's like a metal on the side. I'll show you guys in the next video, and it's like this metal thing, so you're not going right through the hull of the jet ski, which is cool. And it's nice to have these bumpers because they can stay in place or you can take them out. And it's just another thing to make sure I don't get the jet ski wrecked, because man, who wants to get some scuff marks on that beauty of a machine? And I think tomorrow I got enough gas, and I got the auxiliary fuel jug now too. I might try to make my way in the waterway all the way out to the ocean with the jet ski. And I've been told by a bunch of my neighbors, one guy's like a engineer with doing bridges and stuff, and he told me near my house there was an alligator across the road that went into the waterway. And I've been told by multiple people there's a fair amount of alligators. So this time going in the waterway, I mean, there's stuff that's going to eat you, no doubt about alligators. You got the water moccasins, and you got the copperheads. The copperheads won't be in the water. Then you get into the ocean, you got all different types of sharks, great white sharks, all that. So biggest thing I'm trying to get at, I don't want to fall in the water. Now I've been mixing around because this waterway, and I don't know if you guys seen the past video, it's kind of narrow. I might have it once it gets really packed out there, wear a helmet. People go, why are you gonna wear a helmet at jet ski? Well, the jet ski I got does over 70 miles per hour. And I'll tell you, when you hit the water at 70 miles per hour, it's gonna hurt like you landed on concrete. So I'm gonna look at getting a helmet. I've been doing some research, and there's not really like a Pacific jet ski helmet you can buy. People do like racing and stuff. I know I got this really cool racing light vest that I bought that will be, you can hook like a back protection thing on it. They were out of stock of those. I got that. Just, you know, I want to be careful. I'm going real fast, and there's no, and if people go, oh, why are you doing all this stuff? Well, the cool thing is one of the only places here in the United States, there's no speed limit on the waterway. So it means I could go as fast as I want to go. Now I know with some tweaking, modifying and stuff, easily could get the jet ski I got to do like 90 miles per hour. And I'll definitely tell you, if I'm going 90 miles on a jet ski, I'm going to have some safety equipment on. Because, you know, if somebody hits me or something, I don't want to die. So, I better be safe than sorry. So we're going to have some cool, this summer's going to be awesome. And then there's also coming next week, there's a huge modification I'm doing to the Hellcat. I don't want to spoil it yet, but it's coming. It's coming next week. So get that. Well, there's actually a couple of mods. So there's one big mod, another bigger mod, and then we're gonna go get the thing. I found a nice business out by me. Does dyno tuning. So we're gonna reflash the ECU, the PCM. Sorry, reflash the PCM. Put a new tune in it, and we're going to be, there's like 3 mods going to be possibly happen next week at the Hellcat. Did the BWoody lowering kit on the Jeep SRT. I'm so happy doing this. I wish I did it sooner. And the cool thing this coming weekend, there's an air show. I mean, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm not going to go every day. I want to first find out what planes are going to be there, because one of my favorite planes is like the Raptor. If that's there, you know I'll be there. So let's see what planes are there, what's going on. Gotta try making it today. I'm just trying to figure out where the best spot to film it. I might go to the store to film that. And everything's going pretty much by plan with the business going. So, hey, I'm excited about that. So, what else is going on? Oh, this thing, just look at this monster. Woo!